This time, we will solve advanced problem involving decimal number. Okay, let's read the problem. I'm trying to create a 3-digit decimal number by using the number cards 1, 0, 3, 5, and 6 each. Among the decimal number that can be created, let A be the largest, B be the third largest, and C be the second smallest decimal number. Find the sum of the first decimal digits of the three numbers A, B, and C. However, there is no zero at the last digit of the decimal number. So, ang kailangan natin gawin ay we need to create a 3-digit decimal number using these number cards each. Kapag sinabing 3-digit decimal numbers, okay, ibig sabihin, merong 3 digits sa right side ng decimal point. Since 5 number cards are here, ibig sabihin, merong 2 digits sa whole number part. Okay, A be the largest. Ang number or ang decimal number A is the largest decimal number. B is the third largest. C is the second smallest decimal number. So, kailangan nating alamin ang mga decimal numbers na ito. Okay, so this is A, B, and C. Okay, A is the largest decimal number. Since largest ang kailangan nating malaman, let's arrange the number cards from largest to smallest. So, largest number is 6. Next is 5, 3, okay, 1, and 0. Okay, take note, this is a decimal number. 3-digit decimal number. So, ang decimal point ay dito. Okay, meron tayong condition na there is no zero at the last digit of the decimal number. So, ibig sabihin, ang 65.310, this is not the largest decimal number na hinahanap natin. Okay, so, para maging tama ang sagot natin, pagpalitin lang natin ang 1 at 0. So, 0 muna bago ang 1. So, 65.301, this is the largest decimal number. Okay, B. B is the third largest. Okay, third largest. So, para malaman ang third largest, kailangan muna nating malaman ang second largest. 65.301 is the first largest or the largest decimal number. So, para malaman ang second largest of 65, okay, 130. Okay, again, there is no zero at the last digit of the decimal number. So, ang 1 or ang 65.130 ay mali. Okay, so para malaman ang second na largest decimal number, okay, pagpalitin natin ang 3 at 0. So, 103. So, 65.103 ang second largest. Okay, now, malalaman na natin kung ano ang third na largest. So, 65, okay, 031. So, this is our third largest decimal number. Okay, C. What is the second smallest decimal number? So, second smallest. So, para malaman ang second smallest, kailangan muna nating malaman ang smallest na decimal number. Since smallest ang hinahanap natin, let's arrange the number cards from smallest to largest. So, 0, next, 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, kung ilalagay natin ang 0 sa una or dito sa una, hindi na natin, ibig sabihin, wala itong value. Take note, we have to use the number cards each. Okay, so para maitama ito, pagpalitin natin ang 0 at 1. So, 1 muna bago ang 0. This is a decimal number, 3-digit decimal number. So, lagyan natin ng decimal point dito. So, 10.356. This is the smallest decimal number. Okay, ngayong alam na natin ang smallest. Okay, malalaman na din natin ang second smallest. So, 10.356. 365. So this is our smallest or second smallest decimal number. Okay, so ilagay natin dito, largest is 65.301. Okay. Third largest is 65.031 at ang second smallest is 10.365. So let's find the sum of the first decimal digits of A, B, and C. So 3 plus 0 plus 3, the answer is 6. Okay, ang problem na ito, ang aim is to make or create a 3-digit decimal number out of these 5 number cards. This is another advanced math problem involving decimal number. Okay, let's read the problem. Look at the paired decimal numbers and write the appropriate number inside the box. Okay, ang 0.22 and 0.28 ay paired decimal numbers. Ganon din sa 2.69 and 2.61 and so on and so forth. Ang 0.22 and 0.28 na paired decimal numbers ay may pattern. So, para malaman kung ano ang mga missing na numbers sa box, okay, kailangan nating malaman kung ano ang pattern. Kung titignan natin, this is 0, 0, 2, 2. This is 2 and 8. 2 plus 8, 10. Okay, how about sa paired decimal numbers na ito? 2, 2, pareho. 6 and 6, pareho. 9 and then 1. So, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, let's check kung ganong pattern pa rin ang makukuha natin sa paired decimal numbers na ito. Okay, 13, this is also 13. 3 and then 3. 8 and then 2. So, 8 plus 2, 10. So, alam na natin ang pattern. Ngayong alam na natin ang pattern, malalaman na natin kung ano ang mga missing na numbers na kailangan nating ilagay sa box. So, this is 0. So, 0. Point. So, this is 5, 5. And then 5. So, 5 plus 5 para maging 10. So, 0.55 and 0.55 ang paired na decimal numbers. Okay, how about here? This is 0. So, 0. Point. This is 2. So, 2. This is 9. So, 9 plus 1 para maging 10. So, this is 1. So, 0.29 and 0.21 ang paired na decimal numbers dito. Okay, this kind of problem is difficult to solve. So, kailangan malaman natin kung ano ang pattern para masagot natin ito ng tama. So, pag nakakita kayo ng mga ganitong problems, the most important thing is find for the pattern. Dahil similar na problem ay may iba't ibang pattern. So, para masagot ng tama ang ganitong mga problem, okay, kailangang malaman kung ano ang pattern.